Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Chemistry Tweaks. Today we will discuss about the hydrogen bonding part. Okay, so what is mean by hydrogen bonding? It's very easy concept. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, कोई भी अगर मॉलिक्यूल है तो मॉलिक्यूल में दो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के एटम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन एटम विच वन इज दैट इज अ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एटम एंड अनदर इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम ना. ओके, अब हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग कैसे प्रिपेयर होता है? द हाईली इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव स्पेसिस लाइक अ हाइड्रोजन which are connected to the highly electronegative species like nitrogen, oxygen or fluorine. Okay, the bond between that hydrogen and nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen and fluorine is called as what here? Hydrogen bonding. Okay, see here, consider here HF. ठीक है, बॉन्ड कहाँ पे कनेक्ट करना है आपको? 3 पार्ट्स में. एक होगा N, एक होगा O, दूसरा होगा F. That is a NOF. All these are highly electronegative species, while this is highly electropositive species. ठीक है? Let's see one example related to this one part. See here, hydrogen is a highly electropositive species, while fluorine is a highly electronegative species present into our periodic table. ठीक है? इससे ज़्यादा electronegative species दूसरा नहीं है. So in short, actually this is a polar molecule. Polar molecule का मतलब क्या होता है? Having a two poles. That means having a two charge. That is positive charge and another which one is that? Negative charge. ठीक है? So in this one, consider here fluorine. Electronegativity of fluorine is a 4.0, while electronegativity of hydrogen is here 2.1 now. Okay, तो कितना है इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव डिफरेंस? 4.0 माइनस 2.1, दैट इज अ 1.9 नाउ. कितना यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव डिफरेंस आ रहा है? दैट इज अ 1.9. सो दिस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस इज मच मोर. समझ में? तो इसकी वजह से यहाँ पे क्या प्रिपेयर हो रहा है? हियर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. समझ में? इन द सेम वे कंसिडर द अनदर एग्जांपल. सपोज वी टेक हियर example like a H2O. So this is the first H2O molecule. Now when this H2O molecule which are connected with another H2O molecule, the bond between that oxygen and hydrogen is said to be here what? Hydrogen bonding. The bond between that oxygen and hydrogen is said to be here what? Hydrogen bonding. Okay, तो ये first वाला हुआ. In the same way consider here another. Suppose we take here water molecule and consider we take here ammonia molecule NH3. ठीक है, तो ये वाला जो पार्ट होगा, again this part is said to be what here? Hydrogen bonding. Okay, so these are the some examples of hydrogen bonding. Okay, which are that the bond between hydrogen and fluorine, the bond between hydrogen and water molecule, that is oxygen, the bond between here hydrogen and nitrogen, not oxygen now here, the bond between what here? Which one is that? यहाँ पे bonding होना चाहिए hydrogen and nitrogen में. The bond between what here? Hydrogen and nitrogen now. Okay, so this is the part of what here? Hydrogen bonding. किस में होता है hydrogen bonding? Highly electronegative species like hydrogen and highly electronegative species like what here? Nitrogen. It's called as what? Hydrogen bonding. Understand this one part? Okay, types of hydrogen next lecture में देखेंगे. Stop.